Today our topic Bragg's equation. What is the Bragg's equation? Interplane of distance between two atoms or molecules. Interplane of distance between two atoms or molecules. See, this is the first plane. Okay, this is the second plane. This is the first plane. This is the second plane. This is the third plane. Here so many number of planes, that indicates to n. N equal to number of planes. Okay, n equal to number of planes. Okay, here first we pass through the one X-ray. Okay, this is the first X-ray. First we pass through the one X-ray. This X-ray diffracted. This X-ray diffracted. Diffracted means paravartan. This X, when we pass through the X-ray into the first plane, the X-ray is diffracted from the point A. This is the point A. Okay, first X-ray is diffracted from the point A, and next second X-ray. Okay, this is the second X-ray incident through the second plane. Second X-ray incident to the second plane. It is also diffracted from the point B. Okay, this is also another X-ray. This X-ray is also incident to the second plane. This X-ray also diffracted from the point B. Okay, this is the theta, angle theta. This is the C and this is the D. Here the distance between the two planes. Okay, the distance between the two planes is indicating of small d. The distance between two planes, any two planes, the distance between any two planes is indicate to the small d. Okay, first X-ray is incident on two parallel planes of a crystal field. This is the crystal field. Okay, first X-ray is diffracted from point A with angle theta, and second X-ray is also diffracted from the point B, angle theta. Okay, this is the extra. This is, see, second X-ray కొంచెం extra distance pass అయింది చూసారా. The second X-ray travels some extra distance. ఇక్కడ first X-ray పాయింట్ ఏ నుంచి డిఫ్రాక్ట్ అయింది, కానీ ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ ఎక్స్రే పాయింట్ ఏ కన్నా ఇంకొంచెం డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసి పాయింట్ బి నుంచి డిఫ్రాక్షన్ అయింది. సో ద సెకండ్ ఎక్స్రే ట్రావెల్స్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా డిస్టెన్స్ దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్రే. ద సెకండ్ ఎక్స్రే ట్రావెల్స్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా డిస్టెన్స్ దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్రే. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద టూ ప్లేన్స్. హియర్ సి triangle ABC. Okay, sin theta equal to first ikkada man triangle ABC chuddam. Okay, triangle ABC sin theta emoutundi BD by AB. Okay, BC. Okay, CB or edaina parvaledu, CB by AB. హియర్ చూడండి, ఏబి అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ ఏబి అంటే ఇది కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఏబి మీన్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద టూ ప్లేన్స్. ఓకే, సో సిబి బై స్మాల్ డి. ఓకే, సైన్ థీటా ఈక్వల్ టు సిబి బై ఏబి ప్లేస్లో ఏం వేసుకున్నాము, డి వేసుకున్నాము. సో డి సైన్ థీటా ఈక్వల్స్ టు సిబి. Okay, d sin theta equal to CB. This is the first equation. Okay, second equation enti A B D. ఇప్పుడు ఈ యాంగిల్ తీసుకుందాం, ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుందాం. ఓకే, A B D. sin theta ఏమవుతుంది, sin theta ఏమవుతుంది BD by AB. ఇక్కడ కూడా AB అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, స్మాల్ d. ఓకే, sin theta equal to BD by small d. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా d sin theta equal to BD. This is the second equation. In Bragg's equation, according to Bragg's equation, the path difference, okay, the path difference must be integral multiple of the wavelength. The path difference must be integral multiple of the wavelength. Wavelength means lambda. Okay. CB plus BD equal to lambda. Here what is the CB? D sin theta. And what is the BD? D sin theta. Okay. Equal to lambda. T sin theta plus D sin theta equal to 2D sin theta. Equal to lambda. This is the Bragg's equation. Okay. This is the Bragg's equation. Here n equal to number of planes. Sorry, here also. Multiple of integral multiple of wavelength. Integral multiple of wavelength. So, CB plus BD equal to n lambda. CB means D sin theta. BD means D sin theta equal to lambda. D sin theta equal to 2D sin theta. Here n equal to number of planes. Okay. N equal to 1 is called first order diffraction. Okay. N equal to 1 is called first order diffraction. N equal to 2 is called second order diffraction. N equal to 3 is called here number of X-rays will incident. Okay. So n equal to 3 is called third order diffraction. Okay. N equal to 1 and n equal to 2 and n equal to 3. N equal to 2 is called second order diffraction. Second order diffraction. And third is called third order diffraction. Here number of diffractions are there. Okay. So main Bragg's equation is 2D sin theta.